You finish cooking and serve immediately without thinking about what happens next. That is the mistake most people never realize they are making in their kitchen. Food is not ready the moment it leaves the heat source completely, even if it looks perfect and ready to eat on the outside. Inside, it is still unstable and changing very quickly. Heat is still moving through the internal structure of the food. Moisture is still shifting from the center toward the surface. Everything is still in motion, even after cooking seems finished. You cut meat too early right after removing it from the heat. All the juices escape immediately and spread onto the plate. Now the meat becomes dry and loses most of its flavor. Not because you cooked it wrong at the beginning, but because you decided to serve it too soon. You plate food too quickly while it is still releasing hot steam. That steam gets trapped under the surface of the food. Now the bottom turns soft and completely loses its texture. You rush to eat while everything is still extremely hot. But high temperature hides the real texture and flavor. You are not tasting the food at its best condition. You are tasting it too early before it stabilizes. Resting is not waiting. It is part of proper control. It allows heat to redistribute evenly inside the food structure. It allows juices to stabilize instead of escaping too quickly. It allows texture to settle into the correct final form. Without this step, everything starts to collapse quickly. Food looks good but performs badly when you eat it. You think speed improves the eating experience, but it actually destroys the final quality of the food. Professional kitchens never rush this critical phase. They control the moment between cooking and serving carefully, because that moment defines the final result you get. Even a short pause can change everything completely. Just a few minutes can transform the entire outcome. The structure becomes stable and more consistent. The flavor becomes deeper and more balanced. The texture becomes exactly what you expect to feel. Control the moment right after cooking finishes. Do not serve immediately without thinking. Wait, observe, then serve with intention. That is how you protect everything you created.